Thanks for joining us today as we demonstrate the capabilities of the Zeus 640 3 to 24 by 75 mm thermal scope. The Armasight Zeus features a FLIR Tau 2 640 by 512, 17 micron pitch, 30 Hz core with a 75 mm lens, and is powered by two CR123 batteries. It also has video out capability. The Zeus will power up in 3 seconds with a turn of the turn pull switch or by pressing the remote control button. The Zeus also has a 5-button control panel mounted on the top of the scope. Pressing the center button while looking through the scope will take you to the main menu. Once you have entered the main menu, while looking through the scope, you can cycle between one of 12 color palettes featured by Zeus: White Hot, Black Hot, Fusion, Rainbow, Glow Bow, Iron Bow 1, Iron Bow 2, Sepia, Color 1, Color 2, Ice Fire, Rain, or OEM Custom. This can be accomplished by cycling through the up-down arrow key and selecting the menu button to enter. Once you exit the main menu, you can use the button control panel, left button, to cycle between 4 different color reticles: red, cyan, black, and white. The Zeus also has a temperature sensor that will display on the bottom left corner of the scope. Here I have selected the rainbow color palette. Notice the blue dot left of the center crosshair. This is the aim point for the temperature sensor. As we pan around on the ground, notice the different temperature levels of the ground. The temperature sensor reflects in the bottom left corner the difference in temperature. Notice in the top left corner of our screen as bullets impact the backdrop for the rifle range. From the main menu, you can also select thermometer only mode. The thermometer will display on the left side of the screen. Here we are demonstrating the rainbow color palette with the cross center dot reticle in red, cyan, black, and white. From the main menu, you can also select between 6 different reticle patterns: cross center dot, line dot, dot 4 minutes of angle, crosshair, cross. Bore sighting the Zeus scope is simple. Simply select the bore sighting option from the main menu. You can adjust the windage and elevation by using the left, right, up, and down arrow buttons on the control panel. I personally like using the thermal scope in the white hot mode with the red crosshair reticle. I have moved the target to 100 yards, 1x at 100 yards, 2x at 100 yards, 4x at 100 yards, 8x at 100 yards. We have located 20 hogs in a peanut field, 12 at 200 yards. There are 8 more hogs at 500 yards. Putting the wind in our face, the thermal optic has allowed us to use the cover of darkness to stalk within 50 yards of the hogs. With no hunters with me tonight, I have the freedom to choose when I'm going to take my first shot. Thanks for watching our video. If you would like to join us for a tactical boar hunt, call or visit us on the web at 706-570-5753 or www.southernhogcontrol.net. You can also find us on Facebook and Twitter.